How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax and Coco, and check out this boat. This is a 2025 Scout 261 XSS Midnight Edition. This is a gorgeous boat. You've got the beautiful black hull color with Scout's premium gel coat. I don't think any gel coat looks better than Scout's does. You've got a black rub rail with the stainless steel insert. This thing is murdered out, beautiful, nice black Mercury 400 AMS. That's advanced midsection. This thing is sweet and it skates across the water. Let's climb on up here, take a look. You can see across the story, you got 3 seats. They just pop right up and then they'll fold down, ready to cast off of the back. Rod holders throughout the back. And you've got your JL audio speakers. Nice Yeti cooler here. And your tackle stations. Trash can there. You got your sink, more rod holders, cup holders, spots for tools. Up top you've got your rocket launchers and this beautiful black T-top. More JL audio speakers up top. Switches up here on your helm and your Mercury display. Around here you can check out your helm seat. Bolster seats, insanely comfortable, but it stows away when you just want to stand up with your big subwoofer right underneath so you can feel the sound. And on your helm, this is gorgeous. This is where you see that midnight display, or that midnight edition. You got your blacked out steering wheel, wireless charger, twin Garmin MFDs, another wireless charger over here. You've got digital throttle on that Mercury 400, super smooth. And your switches for your jack plate on that Mercury. Just gets this thing way up out of the water and you can really move. More cup holders. You gotta have plenty of cup holders. Inside your console here, you can see we've got our cushions stored for the bow in there right now, but just look at how much storage room or room for your head there if you need to go to the bathroom. Now check out out front. It does have cushions all over this bow, so you can just create just a huge sun pad up here. And right here on your sun lounger, underneath it, you've got a coffin box. There's even more cushions in there. With your big ladder that attaches to your door. Up here you've got your anchor storage. More cup holders, rod holders. This one does come with the poles so you can do a front sunshade. This boat is absolutely beautiful. If you have any questions about it, come see it. It is available now at MarineMax Coco, or feel free to give us a call at 321-636-3142. See you then.